Welcome again to RV and Travel Adventures. This is Jesus Manuel Menagarza. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Today we're going to be taking a quick trip, checking out this Idle Time 221 FB. It's a very small sticks and tin travel trailer. I saw it over there at the folks at United RV. Here's some of the specs. You can pause this video at any time to check out the specs. It is an all-electric travel trailer. They make them in different configurations, but this one happens to be an all-electric travel trailer. Up front, you have a queen bed and quite a bit of storage, and then you have the kitchen on one side and this rather large dinette on the other. And I really like the restroom. It's a good size restroom. You can definitely take care of business inside this restroom. It's a windy day here in Fort Worth, Texas. Hope you're doing fantastic wherever you're at. Today I'm at United RV here in Haltom City, Texas. Haltom City is basically a part of Fort Worth, just telling you, very straightforward. So it's a beautiful day. It was cloudy earlier today, and I thought I'd check out something rudimentary, something basic, something super affordable. And from what I understand, this sort of fits the key, that criteria. So, what is this thing called? I'm still trying to figure it out what it's called. Let me turn the camera around first. It's manufactured by Allen Camper Manufacturing, Allen, Oklahoma. And it was manufactured May 5th, Cinco de Mayo, 2021. So hopefully they weren't totally intoxicated. And model number is a 221FB. So let me back up and show you what this unit looks like. Again, I wanted to find something that was very basic. I would have loved this thing back in the day, when I was a younger person. This would be perfect. Very affordable, probably super easy to tow. And there it is. You get a rock guard. You get a no power tongue jack. I don't see the cylinders. Maybe there's no cylinders with this. Maybe there's no gas. We'll soon find out. We'll go inside and check it out. So you get the usual plywood sides with the tin on the sides, and you got an air conditioner up there. Here's your fresh water connection and your pass-through storage. Let's take a peek at the pass-through storage. This is a good size pass-through storage. Again, this is a sticks and tin model. And you got an air conditioner up there. Very nice. And you get some nice windows. You get the steel rims. Again, this is a very affordable model, hopefully. Up there is the vent for the air conditioner. And this is the plug that you can pull out right there. There's your low point drains, the city water connection, and your dumps. You get a nice little long bit of plumbing there. Let's look underneath and see if you got an enclosed underbelly. No heated and enclosed underbelly. The standard leaf springs. These tires are Ridgeway Sport STs. So it says there ST. Let me get the hair out of my face so I can actually read. 20575 R15. So you get some 15 tires. That's pretty nice. 15-inch tires. Again, there's the dumps, and it says gray dumps and black dumps. You have the 4-inch standard hose carrier, your slinky hose carrier. You can use that. And no windows out the back. They keep it to a minimum, the windows, because windows add weight. And you got LED lights. And you got the jacks in the back right under the bumper. So the frame goes all the way back to the bumper. Very nice. So that should be a super solid bumper. And again, sticks and tin. You can't complain. Again, we all have our budget. Some of us can afford a 30-foot plus Airstream. Others will buy something like this. As for me, I only spent about $25,000 on my last travel trailer. In fact, it's on order. I'm super curious to find out what the price point on this one is. Again, the steel rims. You got the alternating current connections. And you get the nice door. And again, the pass-through storage. This has the magnetic latches, which is appreciated. Another peek at the pass-through storage. Good size. This is the only storage pretty much you have outside. Steel steps that fold. Let's go inside. Check it out. Just close the door. So I'm sitting on the bed, and the view from the bed, you have the door on the left. You have these very quaint window treatments. You have 4 doors of storage up there. It's a very nice dinette with storage under the chairs. I'm gonna move a little bit. Back there you get a small Magic Chef refrigerator. You can put some stuff up there. There's no actual storage space, but you can, when you're parked, you can put some stuff there. You have some storage underneath. Your fuse box, more storage. A perfect place for your garbage can. You get 4 drawers. By the way, I was shocked by this. They're soft close. Amazing. And you get a very nice stainless steel sink. I like this sink. This is a perfect little sink. And this has T-molding. Again, it's a budget concern. Get a window there. Let me turn around now and show you the bedroom. So you have your smoke detector, and you have an air conditioning unit by Comfort Air. Okay, that has a lot of nice controls. So you could put in, when this one blows out, you could just replace it rather readily. There's your emergency window. You have some storage on the left side and the right side. You have some light controls. You have drawers for each one of these. Let me open this up. A nice long drawer. Again, soft close pretty much. And up here you have these standard design lights. And again, you can replace these readily if you have any issues, because I see them everywhere at all these RV supply stores. You get 4 doors. Let me see. Very nice. 4 doors. And you have some lights up here. Down there you have a fire extinguisher. So let's go around the unit, start from left to right. Tight shot of the window valances. Some of the storage up here. Goes from all the way from left to right, okay? Very nice. You have that standard light. Again, those are available pretty much any RV dealership sells those lights, parts store. I wonder what that's for. Apparently there's something there. Let me open this up and see what's... Again, you have storage under here. Plenty of storage under there. You can finish this off a little bit. You can paint it. You can sand it a little bit, make it a little so you won't get some splinters immediately. And what's over here? This is something. Let's see what this is all about. I have no idea. I'll have to figure out what that's for. Maybe it's a sink cover. Let me put it over here by the sink. Yes, it's a sink cover. I told you I was a genius. I could figure these things out. Let me put this back. Shove that there. So you get this nice table. Again, it's a laminate with a T-molding, which is pretty much entry level, super entry level. You got 2 areas there, and you have some storage under this one too. Let's go in the bathroom. Got a nice little plastic toilet, plastic sink, some storage under here. Perfect little spot for a little garbage can, or you can put it on one of the sides of the toilet, and you get a nice little plastic sink. Let me show you a close-up of the actual stuff. 2 receptacles. 2 layers of medicine cabinet storage, and this is gigantic. Oh, look at that. Must go at least 3.5 feet by 4 feet high. And you also get a little rod here, and you got this little pipe. Very nice. I like it. I can smell the sawdust. I'll let this air out for a while so you can not get any of that formaldehyde or whatever they have, those smells, or you folks that are sensitive. This is a 2-part, looks like a 2-part plastic shower surround. You got some shelves here. You have the shower wand way up here. I'm going to go inside, check it out. Again, you have the basic fan here. You can replace that if you want with a Max or whatever kind of fan you want, or just leave it like that. This is an entry-level entry-level travel trailer. My home in Riverside, I considered good for Riverside, but some people say, why don't you put some changes to it? I said, this is an average house. It's not worth my time to make it look super fancy, okay? So I'm going to turn around the camera right now. Ooh, my hair's been blowing in the wind. Let me get inside here. So here I am. I have about good 2-3 inches. Is that good? 2-3 inches? Again, in this light, I look absolutely horrific. But actually, if you've ever met me up, up close, I'm actually semi-good looking. Okay. Just joking. Camera around. Here I go. We're going to go back outside. First of all, down there, let's see what's down there. Some of the plumbing, etc., etc. Good area for storage. And you get a DC fridge. Very nice. Good storage here. Good storage there. Very nice. And here it's more storage up here. I wonder what the size is. Let me look and see if I can read the tag somewhere. I don't see any tags. Sometimes they have the tags. So a nice stainless steel finish. What do you think? And you have some storage. You could put some stuff up here. You could put a shelf. Make yourself a shelf here and call it good, okay? Now we're in the massive, absolutely massive kitchen. There's one guy who does RVing videos. Everything's huge, massive. It can be a 12-foot travel trailer and says, it's huge inside. Well, this one's actually semi-decent space inside. There's a high point microwave. Get a little vent here. Get an induction cooktop because there's no gas. This unit has no gas. Amazing. It's all electric at this time, okay? So, let me open this up. This goes back about a good 2 feet. No problem. About 2 feet wide. Under here, more storage. Plenty of storage for all you folks out there. Want something affordable? And you get 4 drawers here. Again, these are some sort of composite wood fronts, metal handles, plywood boxed, metal glides. Pretty good. And watch this. Watch this. Soft close. Very nice. Get the stainless steel sink. You have some receptacles here and there. And you have some receptacles there. And you have some receptacles there. Let me open this up. Huh. I guess you plug in something there. Oh, that's for the microwave. Okay. Plug in your microwave there. Good storage. And this is the bed. It's a queen bed. Looks like a camper queen to me. I'll have to check it out. I'll give you the information at the start of the video if it's a camper queen or not. Okay. Thin mattress, about 5 inches. Plywood under here. And this is the surprise of this unit. The water, the fresh water tank, is enclosed inside with a water pump right there. So it's not going to freeze as long as you have the heater on. Isn't that fantastic? That is fantastic. So this you can take out boondocking in, late fall, early spring, no problem. Let me drop this. There it goes. Noisy as hell. So let's end this video. Whew. So I finally got a chance to sit down. It's a bit hot here in Haltom City, Texas. This is the air conditioning is not on. Okay, it's more humid than hot actually. So hope you like this video. This is a very affordable looking travel trailer. Hopefully the price is going to be discounted and they're not going to charge you full retail here at United RV. Talk to Mikey. Mikey, he's a very nice guy. His information is right there, and you can give him a call, anytime. He'll be more than happy to help you out. Okay. From I'm in Fort Worth. I'm in Haltom City, Texas. Haltom City, Texas. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Please leave your kind and super friendly comments below the description. And if you have the time, check out my Patreon page, patreon.com/JMMGarza. And new, as of this week, is my RVTA photography and video site. It's rvta.myportfolio.com. Okay, check it out if you have the time. Again, from United RV in Haltom City, Texas. Hope you're doing fantastic. Gracias. Adios. Bye-bye.